Welcome the Art channel. Today we how to transfer inventory from Shopify to Airtable automation, detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer inventory from Shopify to Airtable using automation, first, log into your Shopify account. Locate the inventory data that you want to transfer. Ensure that your Shopify products are properly organized and labeled. Next, log in to your Airtable account. Create a new base or open an existing one where you want to import the inventory. Set up your Airtable table structure to match your inventory information. Define the fields you need, such as product name, quantity, SKU, and price. Once your Airtable table is ready, head back to Shopify. Use the Shopify admin dashboard to export your inventory. Select the option to export products or inventory. Choose the format, typically CSV, for easy import into Airtable. After exporting, locate the downloaded CSV file on your device. Open the CSV file to review the information and ensure accuracy. Now, return to Airtable and navigate to your designated base. Choose the import option to incorporate your CSV file into Airtable. Upload the saved CSV file from your device to Airtable. During the import process, match your CSV columns to the corresponding Airtable fields. Adjust any additional settings as needed to ensure a smooth import. Complete the import and confirm that your inventory data appears correctly in Airtable. To automate future transfers, consider using integration tools like Zapier or Integromat. Set up a new automation that triggers whenever there's a change in your Shopify inventory. Configure the action to update your Airtable base accordingly. Test the automation to confirm that it works seamlessly. Monitor the automation and make adjustments as necessary. With the automation in place, your Shopify inventory will stay updated in Airtable with minimal effort. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.